Hi guys. Uh, so I'm back in Abashiri after spending the night just close by. It was an old farm that this really sweet kind of older couple are running. There were only two of us. Obviously, the other guy was French as well. I think only French people are still in Hokkaido and just like, the virus, that's all right, don't worry, we'll deal with that. So yeah, the place was huge for us. I haven't slept very well, but because I'm like at 27 spider bites, which is I think record even for me. Yeah, you can see even my face and everything. My hand who's holding my phone is like I can't use like three of those fingers, so yeah, it's not ideal. Also, I broke like a piece of my tripod, which I was kind of using as a selfie stick basically to hold my phone when I was doing this video. And I don't know, like yesterday it was fine. I filmed the last video, and this morning I just tried to put my phone on it and it was in two parts. So yeah, hopefully I'm gonna find one like this part somewhere and it won't be too expensive, but we'll see. Anyway, I got my tickets. I got what I wanted yeah, for a long time. And you can see the boat or two over there. That's the boat I'm gonna be on in like an hour or something. I don't know if you can see it there. Yeah, it looks like there's quite a big amount of ice, so I think it's gonna be great. I'm really excited. I don't know, maybe I'm gonna be disappointed. I try not to be too excited about things before, but to be honest, this experience, I really wanted to do it. So yeah, I'm really happy about that ticket, definitely. And yeah, it's we'll see how it goes. The woman who was running the hostel, she was really kind. She brought me back to Abashiri with her car, and she stopped along the way from that really nice scenic point of view. So I already have a bit of like few pictures of the ice. So it's really cool. Yeah, I can't see anything. It's very bright. It's not sunny, but it's super wide, and it's hard to keep my eyes open. And I'm so tired. 2 nights in a row without sleeping well and walking a lot and the cold and everything. So yeah, and tomorrow I'm doing a snowshoe excursion. So I'm like, I don't know, I think it's 3 hours in the mountains and everything. So hopefully I'm gonna sleep a little better tonight. But anyway, I'm really excited to show you this boat is gonna look like, what I'm gonna see. Hopefully we're gonna maybe see some animals. We'll see, but hopefully there will be a lot of drift ice, and that's gonna be awesome.